without exception. There is always, as we would put it, a good side and a dark side, a container and yet that which is contained, a masculine side, a feminine side, if you want to use those categories. Now, I checked this out with some doctors. I even checked it out with Rex here yesterday. But they all seem to agree with me that the way the brain works, the way it has to work, is that it is a binary system. That when you first hear the word short as a little girl, a little boy, you understand it in contradistinction to tall. And that's how the word short makes sense. And I would then quickly add that if you don't have some great love or great suffering, a lot of people stay at that level for the rest of their lives. That the only meaningful categories are tall and short. And they never learn what the Jesuits would call discernment, we'd call discrimination, subtlety, the opening up of the 85 degrees between tall and short. I'm sure you've been told, any of you who are spiritual directors, that what discernment often is not deciding between the good and the bad. That's dealt with by the Ten Commandments at a far earlier dualistic stage. But when you really get onto the spiritual journey, when you really enter into adult Christianity or adult any religion, most of your decisions are not between absolute good and absolute bad, this preoccupation with sin that much of Christianity has been characterized by, but deciding between two goods. This has some degree of good, this has some degree of good. Now, people at lower